Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create Instagram account. Before I continue with my today's video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's video. If you do not have Instagram, go to your Google Play or your Apple Store and look for Instagram and download it. I already have Instagram, so let's open our app. They'll ask you to choose a username, which you can always change it later. Once you have chosen your username, click on next. Now create a password, create on next. Now click on add new phone or email. You can either add your phone number or an email address. Click on next. And Instagram has sent a confirmation code to the email address that I have used to log in. Now put the code you have received in your email address and click on next. If you want to connect to Facebook, you can directly connect it from here, or you can skip it. Instagram will ask you again to directly go to follow friends. You can also skip it if you wish. Click on skip as of now. They'll be asking for you to add a profile picture. You can do it right now or again choose to skip, and you have successfully created your Instagram account. You can post your photos and videos. They'll be appearing here under this grid icon. Here you will find all the pictures that you have been tagged. Followers is where you will find the list of people who follows you, and under following you'll find the list of people that you follow. I hope my video was helpful. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. Suggest us if you have any requests for our new videos. Give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.